Welcome to an introduction of the MXPS maintenance platform system. This is our second informational video and will cover everything you need to know about the setup of your maintenance platform. If you haven't seen our first video, we recommend giving it a watch as it provides useful information on the operation and handling of the MX5 Plus. Let's start by reviewing the proper method of installing a service deck. To attach a service deck, unpin the support tubes and fold them down to the floor. Carefully lift the deck onto the tapered guide blocks and let the top cap of the ladder hold it as you secure with hand wheels, though this time we'll be installing them from the inside. Thread hand wheels into the middle brass insert and lightly hand tighten. In some cases, it might be helpful to lightly pull down on one side of the service deck, as this better aligns the two pieces. Second, we'll be attaching our support tubes just above the point to where the main unit hinges. Install the quick release pins, much like the hand wheels, from the inside. The third and final step is to install both thumb wheels into the holes specified. This will ensure a solid connection has been made from ladder to service deck. Located beneath the thumb wheel stowage point are two spare bolts that could be used in the case of a lost or damaged hand wheel. After your two service decks have been secured, locate the platform spacing jig, which will be located underneath every platform. Simply unfold the jig and drop each end onto the service deck's lug attachment point. Ensure a proper spacing between each deck and fine-tune if necessary. This will save you some time and headache when it comes to dropping on your platform. Once this is accomplished, fold up the jig and return to its stowage point. Remove all four lug protective caps located on each end. With a partner to assist, carefully lift the platform up while facing the ladder so that each individual can have a proper view of the attachment points. Once seated, slide the anti-rotation locks to the locked position. Then secure each side with a quick release pin. We recommend taking a walk around the setup to ensure all four slide locks have been engaged and both pins are properly secure. Service deck steps can be added to the platform, though at times you may need something taller. Included with your platform is an extension receiver, which will accept all extensions aside from the 5-foot extension that some of you may have. Secure the extension receiver by installing both pins. Unlatch each hook and drop them through the gaps where they will then grab onto two bolts located in between. Verify latches are nice and tight and wrap the bungee around each handle. You may have noticed a series of U-channels on the platform's surface. These are points that will accept an extension receiver. Use these points to adjust your receiver needs, depending on obstacles or current location of the rotor head. After securing the receiver, you are now able to attach an extension. Do this as you would with the ladder, as the receiver mimics the top cap of the MX5. Now that you have your platform and attachments set, it's time to add your guardrails. As you may remember, guardrails are secured with the two quick release pins inserted inboard to outboard. In lieu of the adjustable handrails, platforms should be equipped with self-closing gates. To install a gate, first locate the two alignment holes on the top half of any guardrail. These holes are meant for two alignment pins located on the hinge of the self-closing gate. Once these pins have been inserted, you are now able to thread in each thumb wheel to the hinge from the outboard side of the guardrail post. In the case of a lost thumb wheel, two spare bolts can be found near the hinge point and can be used as a temporary securing method. Gates shall be installed at each opening of the setup and should be tested to ensure proper operation. Laptop and tool trays can then be added wherever you see necessary. The MXPS can be set up in 3 different ways to avoid exterior fuel tanks and/or other obstacles. This is to ensure a suitable fit for a multitude of aircraft, whether you have the 70-inch or the 90-inch platform. We recommend practicing the assembly of this system away from aircraft until you feel comfortable enough with the product. With enough practice, setup takes only minutes, and then can be tucked against the wall for some of that valuable floor space when the need arises. Thank you for watching, and please feel free to reach out with any questions. And as always, stay balanced and take care.